welcome back to my channel once again. And in today's video, I'll actually be showing you some apps, some secret apps anyway, that can actually make you some few as you start using those apps. And I'm going to be explaining everything you need to do to enroll in all these apps. And if you take all these apps very seriously, everything you're going to be teaching you today, make sure you follow everything step by step so that you're not going to miss anything. And I advise that if you watch this video, do not just stop and start implementing. Make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you're going to get every step-by-step guide that I'll be teaching you today. And all these apps I'm going to be mentioning today can actually be stored in your phone or on your laptop. And as you keep on making use of these apps today, you'll definitely be making some cool bucks. And if you keep on using these apps regularly, definitely you'll be making serious money. I've tested all these apps and actually confirmed that they are working. That's why I'm here to actually share my experience, tell you what I've done, so that if you follow every step I'm going to be telling you today, you will also be making your own money. So before we get started, my name is Linus, and in this channel, I make videos that teach you how to make money online without any investment. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you have not done so, give this video a thumbs up and click the bell notification button so that YouTube will always notify you whenever I drop a new video, just like the one you're about to watch right now. Also, make sure that you share this video to those who may actually be having financial challenges so that they too can actually practice what I'm going to be teaching you today here, for them to also follow the same process and start making their own money. If you have done a subscriber, I say thank you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for making me to grow my channel. And I also urge you, please share this video to your family and friends. If you have done all these things, that is, if you have subscribed, if you have turned on the bell notification, if you have shared, and if you have also clicked the like button, let's go proper to the main video that we have today. The first app we'll be talking today is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the best apps for making money online and is one of the highest paying apps on my list today. They have actually paid out over 530 million to their member up to date. And one of the best things about Swagbucks is that there are so many different ways to earn points, and those points are called Swagbucks. These Swagbucks can be exchanged for gift cards or withdrawn to your PayPal account. Here are some of the ways to earn points. 1, taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, cashback offers, and scanning receipts, and so many more. And you've seen I've just done some certain tasks on this particular app, and I've been able to get about 30 Swagbucks, and I still have about 3 Swagbucks to complete my whole thing. And the total of everything that I've gotten so far is 34 Swagbucks, because I've taken some offers. You can answer questions, you can do the words, discover, and there's so many ways. You can even play games on this particular app for you to be able to make your money. So go immediately download this Swagbucks. And if you don't want to use your phone to do it, you can use your laptop. Go to swagbucks.com, sign up, and start making your money. Then the second app that you can actually download and make money is the one we call Honeygrain. Honeygrain is a passive income app that allows you to earn money by sharing your internet connections. After installing the app, it uses your idle network bandwidth for web intelligence, and you get paid for the data shared. Please don't worry, they don't actually share your data with any particular third party. What they normally do is to, get data from you. Get as more as you use your data, you get more money from them. The more devices you have connected, the more you earn. It is straightforward way to make money without actively using your devices. Just make sure that once you can download this app either in your phone or you sign up on your laptop. As you do this, as you are making use of laptop, as you're browsing with your laptop, you are making money. How you browse, the more you share data, the more you make use of internet, the more you get paid. Then the next app we're looking at today is Clipclaps. Clipclaps is a reward app that pays you for watching videos, playing games, and engaging with content. You can earn points that can be converted into cash or gift cards. The more you interact with the app, the more you can make money. It is a fun way to make money while enjoying entertaining. You watch videos, you earn rewards. Capitalize your time with ClickClaps. Reward mates, simple to earn. And one of the good things about this particular ClickClaps is that some companies can actually demand for a particular picture, a particular photo that they have. And if you, a user, can actually supply that kind of picture to ClickClaps and they send to the company that requests for it, you're going to make much money. You can download this app on App Store or Google Play Store. You can quickly go there, get it, and start making use of it. And you have hottest original content. Showcase your favorite videos to the world. ClickClaps works with a large group of professional content creators to foster a content-driven ecosystem. If you can send videos, if you can send pictures as required by some content creators, by some companies, and it is accepted on ClickClaps, they will definitely pay you for what you have done. Then the next app we'll be looking at now is userfeels.com. Userfeels.com is also an app and a web page that you can, a website that you can actually log on to and start testing app. It offers a pay-as-you-go user testing tool. You can sign up as a tester and get paid for providing feedback on websites and apps. This is a way to make money by participating in usability testing and sharing your experience. If you come here, what you have to do here, you see start testing. Once you click on that start testing, you need to do what? You need to sign up, or you can come here and get paid to test. If you click on get paid to test, you need to fill up everything that is required. And one good thing about this userfeels.com is that they don't charge you for anything. They don't charge you to, as in, you cannot pay any money for you to become a user or a tester. You just sign up, and once you sign up, and any particular test that they come to you, if you test, you get paid. And you get paid as much as you are able to test some apps. They will assign you some apps, and if you see here, you see discover insights and optimize your website, prototype, or apps from $30 per user. That is, as you use this app to test app, as you use this website to test app, you can actually be paid $30 per app. And as long as you keep on doing tasks as assigned to you, you will earn more money. Now, the next one we're going to look at here is Money App. Money App is a bit, so the specific method to make money may vary. It could involve tasks like taking surveys, downloading and trying out apps, or referring friends to the platform. Check the app for latest opportunities to earn money. And if you click on this, how it works, the Money App is very simple to use. Getting some extra money really is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Earn credit. Complete as many tasks as you can. Hot offers, as in a hot offers. The tasks vary and can be watching videos, sharing, completing surveys, and many more. Then what they say there, they recommend checking the offers stated as hot. It is those hot offers that actually give you the kind of money that you need. Then you can also cash out once your credit balance as displayed on the top right of the screen is enough to cash out. You can do that at the payout tab by requesting a payout. Choose a payment provider from the list where you would like to get reward. Then enjoy your money. Payout takes around 3 days, excluding weekends and public holidays, and are paid directly to the account you have chosen. We'll notify you through the app once the payout completed, and then you can enjoy your money. If you are still watching and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor, go and subscribe to my channel now. Please just help me out. Just tap that little button, just a bit of it. Once you just tap it there, I am very much grateful. And I also want you to give this video a thumbs up if you're actually getting a value from it. And I also request that you share it among your family and friends, please. As you're doing this, you're helping YouTube to make this video and my channel known, and also helping some people who may be actually in financial need to get a way of making money. Then another thing we're talking about here, another app that can also help you to make money is TaskRabbit. On TaskRabbit, you can actually make $41 per hour. And this TaskRabbit is all about, you need to visit the TaskRabbit, sign up, and you need to sign up as a tasker. If you sign up as a tasker, you definitely you'll be assigned with what you, as in, you first of all fill up everything about you. You will need to provide personal information, pass a background check, and set your hourly rates. At least you can earn as much as $41 per hour. If you do your task very well, you can earn as much as $1 per hour. You will need to provide personal information, pass background check. Then once you finish registration, you browse tasks. Then you can browse through the available tasks in your area. This task can range from handwork and moving assistance to cleaning, shopping, and even virtual tasks. Be sure to provide a clean and compelling pitch and ensure that you're going to do exactly what you are assigned to do. Flexible work at your fingertips. Find local jobs that fit your skills. And with TaskBit, you have the freedom and support to be your own boss. You be your own boss. You work how, when, and where you want. Offer services in 50+ categories and set a flexible schedule and work area. Set your own rate and grow your own business. And one good thing that this TaskRabbit can also be done on laptop and also on your mobile phones. You can go to App Store to download the app, or you go to Google Play Store to download the app for your Android phones. Make sure that you visit all these apps mentioned in this video. Start taking tasks, start taking them seriously. And the one good thing about making money online is that you need to be consistent. It's not what you just try today, and if it doesn't work out, you just try like a few hours in a day and you stop it. No, that is not how it is done. Keep on trying it consistently. Keep on trying tasks consistently. A very cool money for yourself. If you have watched to this particular point and you have not subscribed, please do me a favor by subscribing. Do me a favor by subscribing and ensure that you share this video with your family and friends. And as you have done that, I appreciate whatever you've done. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for watching this video. Guys, make sure you go and try out all these apps I've mentioned in this video, and you will see the magic. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.